Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today we are going to check the Bitcoin price. Also, we are going to check the Dashcoin price as well and the news about that one. Stay with me, let's check them out. First of all, like always, we are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. As you can see on the chart, Bitcoin is now, we found a new channel, new rising channel actually for Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is playing inside this one. As you can see, the middle line was working really great. As you can see, the middle line actually was working really great as a resistance here, as a support here, as a support here, as a resistance here. The middle line was great for Bitcoin actually, but Bitcoin is still playing inside this rising channel, and now it looks like Bitcoin is reaching to the top of this channel at the moment. Now after Bitcoin is reaching to the upper line of this channel actually at the moment, if I zoom in for you, now what do we have in here? This yellow line, as we talked about yesterday in the video. I told you actually I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach to $16,414, which is the resistance line we have got in here. In this video was actually white, and now what we have got in here is yellow. If I change the color for that one, it's going to be white again. I told you Bitcoin is reaching to $16,414, as I told you in the yesterday's video. Actually, I then moved this price a little bit even, but now what we do have in here, this three actually trend lines working as a resistance for Bitcoin at the moment. The first one, which is this one, actually I told you maybe Bitcoin is going to reach this one and get rejected by this resistance line, or maybe Bitcoin is going to the second one, and after that we are going to see a correction from Bitcoin. What happened actually, as you can see, exactly as at this price Bitcoin actually reached this resistance line. It's the trend line which was working for few years for Bitcoin. Now looks like Bitcoin is rejecting, as we have got this zone area as a resistance. And what do we have in here? We have got a huge resistance at the moment for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin wants to rise to actually to 17,000, to the next resistance we have got in here, which is about the $17,500, it is not that easy, I think, for Bitcoin to break this one to the upside. We need a huge news and huge buyers to push the price up again, and we can see the $17,500 for Bitcoin. But now at the moment I'm getting a little bit bearish on Bitcoin actually. After we are reaching this resistance line, Bitcoin actually is rejecting. We are not confirmed yet because daily candle is not closed yet, but what we can see in here, if daily candle close even here actually, and that's what we can see in here. We have got the shadow from the upside, shadow for the upside, and what do we have in here? We have got the rejected price from $16,400 for Bitcoin. And as you can see on the chart at the moment, as I told you, this rising channel working really well for Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually, the top of line, the upper line of this rising channel, the price of that is actually about the $16,600 area, about this area. We have got too many resistance at the moment. This zone we have got in here is coming from 2017. If you check in here, what do we have? This zone it was working as a resistance and support for Bitcoin in 2017, and now what do we have in here actually as a resistance for Bitcoin? We do have this resistance zone, which is about the $16,200 to $16,500. We have got this this white line actually working as a resistance as well. At the moment it was working for few years for Bitcoin. Now this one is working as a resistance, and what do we have? The upper line of this rising channel, actually the upper line of that one, which is about the $16,600. Now what do we have? We have got $16,200 to $16,600. Actually it's a really huge resistance for Bitcoin, and at the moment I cannot see Bitcoin to break to the upside for now. I'm expecting a little bit correction to the downside. I'm expecting, it is not a financial advice, but at the moment I'm expecting a little bit correction to the downside, at least to the middle line of this rising channel. And after that, if Bitcoin wants to go to the upper prices, we can make it a start from this area to go to the upper prices, to the further to like 17,500 or even more than that. The other chart I have got, and I want to show you actually this one, if I go back to the weekly time frame. As you remember, I have told you about this chart for several times. I told you Bitcoin is playing in 1, 2, 3x, and again in the white color, actually I told you Bitcoin is trying to make another 1, 2, 3x. And now if you check the red color, we have got one here. I'm expecting the 2, as we are going to make a correction for Bitcoin. I'm expecting the 2 area is about this area. As you can see, we have got 1, 2, 3x, 1, 2, 3x, another 1, 2. The 3 area would be, I think is about the $13,000 area. If I make a clone of this one and put it in here, I think the 3 area is about actually $13,000 to $13,400 area. I'm expecting actually to make a Bitcoin make a correction actually to this area. The lowest point of that should be around the 12,000 and something, but at least to this area, and after that make another run to the upside. The other coin we can check about is Ethereum. As I told you yesterday, I'm expecting Ethereum actually to go further to the upside to reach, if I go back to the daily time frame, I'm expecting Ethereum actually to go and reach to at least $512. It's a really it's a resistance for Ethereum at the moment. What do we have in here? We have got the previous high, which was about $475. If Ethereum can pass this one, actually is not that hard for Ethereum. I think after that Ethereum is going to reach to $512. The other thing I'm going to show you, actually before that one, let's go and check the crypto fair and greed. At the moment the market is too greedy, and I'm expecting a correction. Actually, when the market is too greedy, we are expecting a correction. Yesterday, I think, or last week, was about the 90, but now is 89 at the moment. The other coin I'm going to show you is Dashcoin. Actually, Dashcoin made a huge run to the upside. As you can see in here, we had a double bottom in here. Now the trend line is breaking. This purple line is breaking to the upside. I'm expecting another huge run to the upside because a lot of news is coming out for Dashcoin. If we go and check it out together, actually, what do we have in here? The Dash FastPass actually is coming out. It came out actually a few days ago. What is that one? Actually, FastPass helps you leverage the speed of Dash across exchanges and platforms with Dash features enabled to maximize your ROI. With FastPass, a trader can complete routine deposits or withdrawals in minutes or seconds instead of hours or more. Actually, this is a huge news about Dashcoin, and I'm expecting Dashcoin to go further to the upside, maybe around the $100. I did check that one actually from 17th to 19th of November, which we have got in next week. Actually, they are going to talk about Dashcoin in Hong Kong. If the people from Hong Kong actually try to buy Dashcoin, it's a huge news for Dashcoin, and I think the price of Dashcoin is going to make a huge run to the upside. It's not a financial advice, but which when they go into a country and they talk about something, people they get interesting to buy some of that coin or cryptocurrency or something like that. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, actually, please leave a like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.